What's going on YouTube? This is Timmy Price. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make clones in Adobe Premiere Pro. There's three important things you have to know if you want to film a clone. Number one, you have to make sure that your shot is still, so shooting on a tripod might be ideal. Number two, you also have to make sure your lighting is the same. And three, your clones can never touch. High five. Yeah, no.
Alright, so here I am in Premiere. The example I'm going to use to edit a clone is the intro I made for this video. I shot it all as one clip. I just moved around for every single clone that I wanted to add to the video. And I already have it cut up. I have a cut here where I'm on the left side. I have a cut here I'm on the right side. Now I'm going to take the shot where I'm on the right side and I'm going to stack it on top of the clip where I'm on the left side. Then I'm going to go over to Effect Controls. I'm going to click this little square rectangle thing to draw a 4-point polygon mask. And I'm going to stretch it out. If I click off of the mask, I can see that on the couch it doesn't really sit right. So I'm going to go over to Effect Controls again and I'm just going to feather it out until the couch looks even. And boom, there you have it. That's how you make a clone. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. While another nigga on your lawn, like, oh.